Hey, how we doing, traders? Welcome to Money Mitch. Tonight we got a great show. We're going to talk about some gambling stocks. Yes, I said it. I'm a degenerate gambler on the weekend. I love to do it. Today we're going to talk about those stocks, so definitely stay tuned, guys. We have some great value plays, and we're going to get into some market sentiment. So definitely smash the like button, and let's get this show started. It's time for Money Making Mitch. When investors need a story, we're going to the moon. Welcome to Money Mitch, where story is everything. I'm here to find you the next opportunity. It's all about the green hands. Now we all know the bull market is here to stay. Money Mitch. What's going on, traders? How we doing? Enjoying the day, having a good Monday. You guys let me know in the chat. Smash the like button. Let's get this party started. What's up? What's up? Pouring it up. Hey, if you want to get it started on a Monday, I can't blame you. I can't blame you out there. Definitely more Money Mitch. You got it. You got it. We're getting this party started. Let's get this show going. Everybody smash the like button. I got a lot of stock trading ideas for you guys tonight. I'm going to be going through a lot. I'll first get through the market, and then we'll talk some great ideas. I've been calling out some plays that most just aren't even looking at. So definitely, guys, smash the like button. We need to get to 50 likes today to get to some special stocks that I got under wraps for you. But definitely, I know you guys will get there. Hit the like button. Let's get this show started, and let's keep it going. All right, first things first, let's talk a little bit about the overall market here. So one of the things that we've been looking at is the SPY, and can it hold 420? Today, we actually got that hold of 420, and now we're actually starting to push up to the resistance. This is when I'm going to look for a nice breakout. We need that nice melt up. Yes, if you're all in CCIV, I'll take a look for you, Ulysses. Definitely stick around. We'll talk a little bit about AMC, definitely coming up in a little bit. Let's talk a little bit about the overall market. You guys already know that OSW, we'll get there. We'll get there, WK. I got you. All right, so this one has a multiple tries to get up here, guys. So as you guys can see here, the SPY has been up here before, and this is about the third try to break through this resistance, right? So let's see if we can really get a nice lift up. That's what we want to see, this nice 425 push tomorrow. That's what I would like to look at, and us getting above that. Of course, another thing we've been keeping an eye out is the Qs, and can we get to the 350s? That's what I called out when we were over here and we turned away here, the 326. So let's see if we can get up there past the 340s and then getting up there to the 350s. Two strong days there in the Qs, definitely showing us great market sentiment. All right, so one of the ones that, of course, we have to take a look before we get away from it. AMC today, not a bad day at all. I was actually looking at this one pre-market. It had a nice look pre-market, guys. I'm not going to lie. So if you guys were out there thinking about maybe getting a shot in this one, definitely don't be afraid of those pre-market looks, because this morning – you had a nice pre-market look. When I got to the computer, it was right about 7 a.m. We were hanging out around this 47, right off the support. And when we cleared above it and we started getting strong right here around the 7:30 time, this is when I started thinking, yep, this is the stop. This is a spot. 48 would have been a nice entry. Take a shot in that. And into the open, that would have been a nice look, guys. This one into the open, giving us a good ride up here. And we'll keep watching this one to see if it can continue riding on up. But here you guys have it here right at the open. This one held that 48 and pushed right up there towards 60, which would have been a hell of a trade. Definitely AMC. If you wanted to figure out how you can attack it today, that's how I would have attacked it. Definitely. I actually was really close to putting some size on there, but right around that time is when I get ready for pre-market prep. If you guys haven't seen pre-market prep, definitely check out the show in the morning. That's where I give a lot of my trade ideas. That's where WK heard about OSW that we'll be talking about in a little bit, but definitely to the moon. You guys see it. I'm not mad at you. If it keeps going up, I definitely won't be mad. I will be, hey, who knows, might even be scalping some of the party. So definitely, you guys already know. Let's keep it going. Clover Health with a nice move today. We'll definitely root that one on also. Amen. Let's go, Richard. Let's get this party going. Let's talk about some other stocks out there. When we return, guys, we're going to get into some of these stocks that are under radar, but reopening plays that most just aren't looking. So definitely smash the like button. You guys already know where you guys are at. Money Mitch in the house. Check me out, guys. Hit the like. And when we come back, we'll go into those stories.
I tell all my CEOs, this is a very, very, very important platform. And look, all the other platforms are important too, but you're up there now. You're way up there.
Best investments you can do in your future is actually go and re-educate yourself on credible sites and credible resources like Benzinga. I think you guys have been killing it.
The comment section on this show is remarkable. Like the quality of the combo, and just big shout out to you and your community.
That's what I love about you guys. You know, you just had all your callers in right then. And it's all about the community here at Benzinga.
Welcome back, traders. Let's get into what everyone wants to talk about, which is trade ideas, right? Is that why you're here? Let me know in the chat. Put a 1 in the chat if you're here to hear some trade ideas. Let's keep it going. Cuban, what is this? Cuban cameraman? You guys already know. I can't blame that. Cubanito. Hey, you guys already know. I'm from Miami. I love my cafecitos, and I can't blame it. There's the ones rolling through. WK himself. I wish you could come on, man. Really, I would have you on right now. So let's talk a little bit about the stock here. This is an under the radar look. This is the one I'm going to call out first for my man WK Harris that came to the show because he heard me talking about this morning. WK, you out there? You're my proof. You let him know in the chat. I didn't cherry pick this one today. This was another one that I called out this morning. And I was looking at the daily look, and man, nice breakout today. Look at this candle. I'm going to point it out right now, guys. Look at this nice little push up here from it opened at 11.99 and pushed all the way up there towards 12.50. Not a bad move, not a bad breakout there on OSW. But of course, guys, what is OSW? If you don't know what it is, guys, then that's why you got to have the Benzinga Pro, guys. So when you go to Benzinga Pro, it makes it easy, guys. So OSW, right? We're going to one spot holding, and then we're going to go to the overview, and we're going to come down to the bottom to get the profile. The profile says it right here, guys. It's an operator of health and wellness center for onboard cruise ship and operators of health and wellness centers at destination resorts worldwide. So you're talking about kind of the cruise ships. You're talking about wellness here. I think this one's starting to run up. And I think a lot of this has to do with just being under the radar. Most people are looking for the cruise play, but not paying attention to this one. Nice rip there, guys. That's OSW. You guys let me know what you guys thought about this one, if you guys even knew about this one. So definitely, we'll keep an eye out on it. Is there a rumor that OSW is buying someone tomorrow? Who knows? I can't talk to buyouts because, I mean, if I knew that, I mean, I probably wouldn't be here. I'd probably be loading the boat, but we'll keep it going. You guys already know. Let's keep it running. What's up next? No Miami jersey today. Yes, I will say it. Tears. The Heat lost in the playoffs, but we still got the Denver Nuggets. As you guys know, I'm in Colorado supporting my Nuggets. You guys support my Nuggets out there. Hit the like. Woo! OSW. Sasha, I probably stay on this one, but if you say it, I'll go with you, Sasha. No Miami jersey today. Hey, we'll keep it going. CCIV, you want to talk a little bit about it? I'll take a look at it in a second. I got one more play here under the radar to talk about, REV. And this is one that I've been talking about the story, but not necessarily this stock. So the story to me, guys, is that you're going to get a lot of women with this pent-up demand, buying some makeup, going out, looking good. I can't blame them. I don't think any of us men out there are going to blame them either, but we're going to support them probably in buying this makeup. So cosmetics, I'm calling out some plays in here. Rev here, Revlon, man, not a bad looking chart. Let's take a look here at the chart, see what we see. Look at the weekly, guys, the weekly breaking out. Nice looking chart. Today, a nice lift. I talked about this one pre-market also on pre-market prep. So another thing that I'm going to start doing, guys, is, and you guys can look out for it, I'm going to look to start doing, and I'm going to do this every single day. I'm going to put out a podcast, guys. It's going to be the Daily Mitch watch list. So stay tuned on pre-market prep tomorrow. I'll show you guys how to get that. So definitely you guys got to come to pre-market prep tomorrow. But if you guys show up, I'll show up with giving you that watch list on a daily basis. All right, guys, let's keep it rolling. This one's going to be an interesting one. Look at that lift. Let's see if we can get up there towards that high that we got in the 26th of January, which was a $19 price target. Let's see if we can get up there on Revlon. This one definitely one to keep on radar. All right, guys, let's keep rolling through. Let's go to the next topic here. When we return, guys, we're going to talk a little bit about some gambling stocks. So my degenerates out there, or if you like, just the gambling stocks, smash the like button. Let me know in the chat if you guys did some sports betting this weekend. I know I had some money on Mayweather. Hey, and it wasn't the craziest fight, but if you guys did or did some betting out there, let me know in the chat. When we return, we'll get into some of these betting stocks. You guys already know. Check out Benzinga Pro.
When you want to maximize your performance in the market, you need access to the highest quality tools and news available. Benzinga Pro stands out from all of the options you'll be presented with, and their instant access to market-moving news positions you to be prepared to take on the market in the best ways possible. Here's how it works. Benzinga Pro's news desk creates original news content that's available on your main news feed and gives you actionable information about companies you may want to invest in. This news desk information gives you the chance to beat the market, receive impactful news as it breaks, and jump on trending stocks before and as they rise. And beyond that, Benzinga Pro is packed with helpful features and unique insights that give you the best information possible. There's tools like the Live Audio Squawk, which streams every day with important news and timely updates, and the real-time news alerts that allow you to stay on top of every developing story you're keeping tabs on. Alerts and news will be sent straight to your inbox or delivered as live sound alerts. For those investors that want real-time, actionable, and breaking news about companies they may be looking to invest in, Benzinga Pro is the tool to use.
You got it, my friend. Benzinga Pro, you guys already know. Sounds like an auto-tune. Who knows? I'm going to have to let Michael know he's on auto-tune there. We'll definitely check it out. Too much, Mitch. You can't lose your drink. Hang out. We'll get this party started. All right, so next one up. If you're a degenerate out there, or if you like just the stocks that I talk about, I've been talking about this one for a while, guys. This is RSI, guys. So definitely, if you guys like RSI, definitely let me know in the chat if you guys are a fan. I've been talking about this one for a while. So let me know, guys, definitely where those diamonds at. This is one of those stocks that I think I have diamond hands myself. I want to hold this one for a long time, guys. To tell you the truth, I got in and out of this one just to rotate some money. And I've been making money on that money that I rotated. So I'm looking to get back in it tomorrow. Now that we're finally above this 13, the big thing is going to be to me dip back down towards this 1350 area. And then I'm going to be getting in this one. But when I called this one out, it was closer towards the 1226. I sold some up near 13 just to get some profit and then rotated that money. But RSI is definitely one that I do like out there. So let me know in the chat, guys. What do you guys think? I see a diamond. I agree. Definitely keep your eyes on this one. This one's an interesting play. But let's look at overall gambling, right? Is it just RSI that moved up today? No, look at GAN. Look at this candle. Nice candle right there, guys. I'm going to keep an eye on this one, guys. This one I have wrote it up before. If you guys look at my Twitter, guys, definitely check it out, guys. If you guys don't have my Twitter, you should definitely join up. Twitter @Story Investors. I put this one out early in the year, right before the beginning of 2021. I talked about that I love this stock and I was going to ride it on up for a good 30% gainer. Look at that GAN. What a move. It went all the way up there through that high, and went up there to 31.81. And now we're looking strong again. You know, I think this is looking good to get back up there, at least up there towards that 20. And then we'll see if we can get some good news, some catalysts to really push it on up there towards that 25. That's kind of the price target that I would give this one. Look at the next one up, guys, the big boys. Let's start bringing some big boys in here. DKNG. Look at this. Look at this rebound. That's a nice rebound, guys. Nice rebound there. Coming back towards that resistance of 56. We'll see how it reacts there, near there. But definitely this one can come back roaring also. PENN also, great day today, guys. If you guys didn't see PENN, check it out. What a move there. Up there towards 84.25. We'll see if this one can keep moving. I think this one can get back up there towards 100. So keep your eyes on PENN. If you guys haven't checked out PENN, this is one that I would definitely put on your radar. I do like it, and I think we're going to start seeing some lift. Yup, GAN. It's GAN. G-A-N. Lad knows it. You guys already know. GAN. I got you. I usually put the tickers up, but that's my fault today. As GAN. I like this chart. It could come back roaring, definitely. Another one in this industry to keep your eyes on. Not my favorite, but some like it. And so you got to be honest here. GNOG, another one that's looking good. And look at this reversal here. Look at this candle today. Looking strong. Looking like you have multiple highs that it just wants to get through. We'll see tomorrow if this one can get roaring through 14s. But this one, another one should be on your radar for gambling stocks. We'll see it. A PENN up to all-time highs. I won't be mad. Definitely. We'll keep looking at that one. PENN is looking good. We'll definitely take a look. SPCE, tiny. You haven't heard how much of a bear I am in this one? I don't know about this one. It's hard for me to even look positive. I got to be honest when I'm honest, guys. And this one, it just doesn't seem to hold. But, man, nice reversal there. One of the things that happened today was the Bezos comments. If you guys didn't catch the Bezos comments, look at it. He's going to space. But this is not directly related. But it just makes it look like, you know, you could have some more. One thing to note, though, is that you did get a nice amount of volume here, guys. This was 130 million shares traded on that successful space flight. So they're pushing on up there. My favorite space stock, keep on radar, is MaxR. I've already made a profit on it. I would want to keep it if I had it. But now it's a little bit ripping up too fast. So now I got to go ahead and just let it keep rising. I think this one was great. I talked to Dennis Dick multiple times, said, look into the 30s, man. Look into the 30s for that MaxR run. MaxR pushing back up there. Might get back up here towards this gap up where it can get up there towards 40. So this is one to keep on radar. This is MaxR. MAXR. MaxR technology. Definitely keep your radar on that one. All right, guys, let's get into some other stocks here. So really quickly, I want to check up with the chat. What's going on, guys? I'm only seeing 46 likes out there, guys. Come on. Do me a favor, hit the share button, hit the like. Let's get this party started. I want to get into some other stocks, but we need at least 50 likes, guys. So definitely smash the like. Let's get it up there. You guys support me as I'm supporting you guys doing this research, getting these stocks at least to give you guys some great ideas. And one of the things I definitely do is try to get you guys those great ideas early also. So we're going to also review some of the ones that I've already talked about, right? And so one of the things that I want to talk about is have you guys seen live? This one I've given for such a long time that, man, I don't even want to look at this stock anymore. This thing has been going straight to the moon. I actually gave it up here near the 40s, near this 36 breakout, and it broke out to 45, came back. I liked it again in the 40s, and man, look at this lift up there towards the 65.32 today. What a lift. And this one doesn't want to turn back. Of course, guys, this one has already lifted off. It's already a rocket, so be careful. I wouldn't necessarily look to get in this one now, but man, what a lift. A cheaper one that I gave you guys on last Monday, I gave this one by $3. This was DS Drive Shack, guys. Definitely check it out, guys. This is a golfing play. This one's under radar. This one's very close to how Eli is in their Top Golf. It's a copy. Look it up, guys. Drive Shack. Check it out, guys. It's a golfing play, guys. I'll spell it out here, guys. It's DS for Drive Shack. Check it out, guys. I think this one's going to be an interesting play, and I think it can continue going. You know, it's starting to get some lift here. If it can get above the 350s, really start moving, I think it could get up to $4. And if it can get up to $4 from that $3, I mean, hey, that's a nice breakout in itself. So definitely smash the like if you guys enjoying the show. There you go. There's 52 likes. Let's get it up there. Let's start talking about some other stocks, some newer ones. I want to give you guys some gold. I mean, if not, then what are you guys here for, right? All right, guys. Looks like there's 59 likes out there. You guys tell me if you guys enjoy this. Let's keep it going. Already making money with DS, Roy? Hey, I can't blame you, man. If you did take that one, it's looking good. It sounds like Shaft, but it's Shack. Brian, I can't blame you. Definitely, it's Shack. It's Drive Shack, like a shack. But definitely check it out, guys. It's going to be an interesting play. It's been moving on up. And I think I think it keeps going. Today, we did get a Playboy offering. Just a heads up. If you've been seeing Playboy take off, just be careful. That offering might turn it back down a little bit. All right, guys, let's keep it going. Another play here that I want to mention, guys. Keep it on your radar. Plug power, guys. Look at this strong candle that we got today. I was actually trying to stay out of this one for a little while, guys. Reason why is because I just didn't understand where it was going at first. I wanted to see some more confirmation. I think today we got that confirmation candle. Look at this strength right through these multiple highs that had wicks and looking strong now. Now it's going to be all about holding 32. A little pullback under 32 I would take, but I wouldn't take too much pullback under that 32 now. Now I could get it to start lifting. And man, this one has some gaps that it could start attacking. Let's see if it starts getting on up there, starting to push up there. Another one in plug. This is, of course, infrastructure, hydrogen cell play. Another one that you can take a look is, of course, FCEL. That's fuel cell energy. This one's a monster. I actually rode this one up when it was starting to break the $3, but I got out of this one really quickly. I should have held it, man. This one made a monster move. Look at this one also showing the same kind of look, right? Multiple wicks, multiple highs, and then today strong candles through it and with some good volume. So keep your eyes on FCEL, two good plays there, plug and FCEL to keep your eyes out in the next couple of days. So definitely check it out, guys. I'm going to be watching to see if this one can keep moving, but who knows? Who knows? Oh, good Lord, electronic. I would play that chat, but it's a little bit too much. If you guys want to check out what electronic said in the chat, check him out. Join us live, guys. I know there's some people that watch this after. We do this every single day at 6 p.m. Eastern. Let's keep it going. I got my buddy a whole bunch of money in the plug. I can't blame it. Plug should be at $2 again. James, I'll take that lunch bet. Let's do it, James. That's what it's all about here. Transparency. Call me out when I do a bad one, and definitely support me when I do a good pick. Let's keep it going. Next one up, one that I've been calling out for a while. I'm starting to see it moving on up. Keep your eyes out. Vizio. This is one I've liked. I've called it out at 21 multiple times. I really was about to put some good money into this one on Friday, and I want to grab some, but to tell you the truth, it's just not the biggest mover for me. And with my swing account, I look for those 20, 30% gain, but I almost feel overconfident in this play. So I'm going to actually start looking to see if I can get some pullback, some red to green looks going into the daily. I think this one's going to really start getting a drive. And another one to look, of course, Fubo getting some support today and really starting to push up. Let's see if this one can get above this kind of 31 level again. I think that's a very important price point for it, because if not, we can start pulling back closer to this 25. That's going to be my important level for you guys to watch tomorrow. 31 on Fubo. We'll see if that one keeps moving. Roku should also move up also. And that's another move that I watch to keep Vizio, kind of your conviction in Vizio. Look for Roku to keep moving on up, because I think Roku is going to make a move eventually by the end of the year. up there closer towards 500. All right, guys, let's keep it going. You guys already know, put the love in there, hit the like. Let's keep it going. Let's get to another stock here. How many can I do, man? Whew, 3 minutes left. I'm blowing it. I'm blowing it. Let's keep going here, guys. All right, so next up, I want to talk a little bit about some value plays that I've been mentioning, guys. So definitely, if you guys want to talk about a little story value play, look at KR today announcing, guys, 10,000 employees added. I actually called this one out on the 5th, on May 10th. This one, when it was actually on the way up, it pulled back towards the support and really just pushing back up there. And now looking really strong. Let's see if this one can keep moving on up, get through this kind of multiple high of 39, get to the 40s. This isn't the biggest play, but it's a nice value play, guys. This is KR Kroger with a good announcement today. SFM is another one you can keep your watch out. I like this one also. This one's looking good too. This one has a nice outtrend. Just broke out, and I can see it continue to break out at least towards this high 28 towards the 30s. We'll see if this one continues moving. And this one is SFM. So Sprouts Farm. I'll put it up in the chat here or in the banner here, guys. This is Sprouts Farms. This is an interesting stock also. And the one before that one was KR Kroger's. All right, another interesting value play to keep on radar, guys. USAK. Watch this one, guys. I think this one can really get some lift tomorrow. I think this one can really kind of continue up there towards the 18. If we can get through this resistance, kind of the 1714, we can really start pushing tomorrow. And then we have a high here, 2189. So let's see if this one can really start ripping up there. That's USAK. This is the U.S. trucking service stock. I think this one could get some lift going into tomorrow. That's USAK. All right, guys, getting into 6:30 here, guys. What do you guys think of those stocks? I'll stay for another minute or two to get a stock or two from the chat. But what are you guys thinking? Let's see. Let's catch up with some of these chat comments. KR also the only warehouse with robots. Man, Sasha with some news. I didn't even know that one, Sasha. You guys already know. Definitely a good chain. Kramer on the mute. Just tell the hedgie to come back later. Don't worry about it. He can't even do charts, man. Do you see Kramer doing charts? Do you see him doing charts? Nope. No, he just talks about stories that he gets from other people, but we won't get into that. All right, let's keep it going. Looks like someone wanted CCIV. Of course. We got to talk a little Churchill. See if this one can continue moving. I talked about the 25 being a tough price point for this one, and it looks like it's gotten above that. So next resistance is going to be very important. We got this resistance right here, right? And so if you look back right here this is on January 25th of the this year. So look at this high. This actually closed here at 24.95. Okay, and the high, that's what matters here. The high was 27.30. Let's see if we can get through 27.30 tomorrow, guys. So we're going to draw this up here. We're going to get towards that high there and see if we can get through that high tomorrow. 27.30 is going to be that high to keep watching. Now, one of the things that I'd mentioned on CCIV, and I talk a lot about SPACs, guys, is that for SPACs, I think you're going to start seeing this trend, and I've called it, is that look for the merger vote announcements. Look for the D-SPACs to really start lifting. I've been calling out some of these, but definitely, it could definitely get on its way up. We'll see if it can continue moving on up. I'm going to keep an eye out on CCIV. This is one that has a lot of support, but remember, guys, the Rivian is going to be coming out with an IPO, and it could take some interest away from CCIV. I know there's a lot of diamond hands in this one. I'll tell you that much. So definitely keep your eyes on CCIV, but we'll see if it can keep moving on up here. AMC on the go. we'll definitely keep our eyes on it. I liked it in pre-market, so definitely you guys already know. Hit the like if you guys enjoyed that. Kramer is old school, and this is the new school. This is the show, guys. Money Mitch is where I'm going to go ahead and do my very best to bring you opportunities after opportunities after opportunities. And it's your job out there to go ahead, determine your investment ability, determine your risk. But hey, if these trades are for you, then they're for you. Definitely take a look, guys. We'll have some fun. Keep it going. Smash the like. If you didn't see my interview with AMC's Matt Kors, check it out, guys. We talked about some support levels that I liked it, because this morning I could have risked 2 points off of that and probably made 16 or 20 points. So definitely check it out, guys. I'm going to keep it rolling. Keep the thumbs up. You guys already know we'll keep it running. And the only way I can do it, you got to have that transparency, Roy. Call me out, guys. Call me out. No soundboard like the old school Kramer. If I had a soundboard, it definitely wouldn't have those simple sounds. I enjoy myself just hanging out with you guys. So definitely stay tuned. Up next, we should have a great show coming on up. Let me make sure that I have that set up for you guys, because it's starting up at 7. So you guys need a little bit of time to get on over there. But let me make sure the chat is lined up here for you guys before I let you guys go. If you guys got one more stock, I'll take a look at it. But definitely thank you guys in smashing the like and supporting Money Mitch as I support you guys in finding these great trade ideas. As we know, we're going to keep watching a couple of them to keep on eye also. And I'll mention, guys, I'm in this one. So I'll give you guys one more for everybody that's stuck around and still here. I'll give you one more. I'm in TSIA, guys. That became what today? It became Latch, guys. And guess what? And now it's starting to drive. This is a pattern that I've been calling out on SPAX Attack. So keep your eyes on this one. I'm in this one at 1026. We're up there towards a high of 1136 in after hours. This is TSIA that became Latch. So definitely check this one out, guys. That one was not a bad looking chart at all. All right, let me make sure here with Spencer. Looks like Spencer is out of here, but I just got to check here. We should have up next, guys, Making Bread with Ched, some cryptocurrency talk. You guys already know. Oh, man, WK. You going to bring MGM here? If you guys don't know, I actually, man, it was a while back, but in the low 30s, I did love this stock. Back when this stock was in this area, I love this stock. Now it's a little bit hard to play, but I'll tell you one thing. Vegas is back, baby. You're going to see it ripping. You're going to see it ripping. I've been seeing Vegas, and some of the pictures that I've been seeing, woo, let's just say Vegas is back, man. So we'll keep an eye on it. One to keep your eyes out, entertainment. I'll give you one more, just a little bonus. MSGE, Madison Square Garden, entertainment. Look at it right now. It just went through that wick. It needs to get above that trend line tomorrow. So look for a strong day. But if this one starts pushing, I really do like this chart also. This is MSGE. You're talking about the entertainment coming back, guys. Look at this chart. Look at the weekly. This one, I think, could come back roaring at least through the 100, and then we'll see if it can get back up there towards that 121. And this one is MSGE. So definitely take a look at that one, guys. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up here. You guys let me know in the comments after which stock was your favorite stock that I mentioned today. I know there's one that you guys probably saw me go through, and you're like, man, Mitch, that one stood out to me. Let me know in the comments below. Why? Because I want to do a little bit more deep dive on those stocks so that you guys can stay up with those story stocks. All right, guys, we'll see you guys tomorrow on Money Mitch. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit me up on Twitter if you ever see a stock and just want to talk about it. We'll see you next time on Money Mitch. It's time for Money Making Mitch. When investors need a story, we're going to the moon. Welcome to Money Mitch, where story is everything. I'm here to find you the next opportunity. It's all about the green hands. Now we all know the bull market is here to stay.